Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the best free screen recording software for Windows 10. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so go ahead and hop onto your preferred search engine and just search up for Streamlabs. And it should be the very first link on the top. Click into the link. Now, this should be the screen that you'll get. It will take a little time to load up, and straight away you should have the option to go ahead and download it to your Windows 10 software. So you can either download it through the top here or within the green button here. Now, once you got that downloading, you'll see on the bottom left you'll get a confirmation of it. Go ahead and proceed to click the setup, and you should get a user control to open up. Now, the license agreement or the setup should appear on your screen. Now, go ahead and click I agree. It will install in the program files, so go ahead and install. Now, it's pretty fast, so we'll just wait for it to hit 100%. So it's now downloaded it for me. Then all you need to do was click finish, and that should be it. So here we go, we finally have Streamlabs installed. So you could do recording only, or you can even do live streaming. So that's asking whether or how you plan to use Streamlabs desktop. We'll just say recording only. Go ahead and continue. And yes, go ahead and continue on that. So it'll ask you to connect a platform. You could connect it to YouTube, or of course if you have Streamlabs as well, or there's other platforms there like Nemo TV or DLive or TikTok. I'm gonna just skip ahead. So this is the webcam. So of course we're using the OBS virtual camera. We'll just skip that process. You can see that the microphone's working fine. And all you need to do is go ahead and click on start. So we're just choosing the starter pack. Of course, you do get the option to go for the Ultra if you want to. By the looks of things, you will get options to everything there. For us, it's only the desktop for the Streamlabs. We'll not get any of the themes. We'll take a look when we get into the actual software itself. So this is how it looks. As you can see, the microphone does work. And if I am to add some video in, which I'll do now. So this is the add source. You can see that I can add some media files in, video capture device. So I've got the images that I can add, color blocks, or the window capture, or even display capture. So quite a couple of options in order for me to record some parts that I want to record. If I want to record some content for YouTube, I could do it on here. I could live stream it as well if I want to. And of course I have a recording button here, and I can have an option to start streaming. So everything's on here. So as you can see, I've got the screen capture here, and I'm able to modify it how I want. I can increase the size, decrease the size, show whatever I want to show on screen. I could also change the window capture if I wanted to. So I could change the setup, so it'll show what screen it'll show on, so like this one, or back to the Chrome one, which is this. I can capture the cursor if I want to, or I could choose not to. So yeah, quite a couple of options on this screen recording tool. So I would highly recommend to use Streamlabs itself. But yes guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. That is the best free screen recording tool that you could use on Windows 10, which is Streamlabs, and of course I'm sure there are plenty out there to use as well. But go ahead and work with the tool, see how you feel about it, and if you have a chance, try to compare it with another video editing tool that you might recommend. If you do find another one, why not let us know in the comment section below and tell us what you think about it. But anyways guys, as I said, that reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Thank you very much for watching.